Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and like always, thank you for watching. Today I'm so excited. It's my first PR box from Haus by Lady Gaga. And you have here all over, you have cheek, eye and lip. Let's get started from cheek. And first I'm going to show you its highlighter. I have two highlighters, one fire opal and another one peach quartz. This H reminds me like Hermes, but maybe this is better than Hermes. Let's get swatch. So beautiful color. 1000% this color suits so many type of skin and this color peach quartz. Next one color it's fire opal. Packaging looks almost the same but different. This color darker fire opal and package looks little bit like yellow. Okay, and inside this same 11-gram product, beautiful like orangey color, love. And I'm going to swatch. You can use like eyeshadow, little bit like blush highlighter. And this product, Clean Beauty, something fermented with arnica. I know it's arnica, help you reduce redness, inflammation or something like this. Beautiful color, love both. Next one product, it's bronzer, medium level 8. Feels like soft rubber. Oh my gosh, this is like cream. Yes. It's color incredible for my skin tone. Okay, next one I'm going to show you it's high power pigment paint. I have like these colors. And first I'm going to show you its color name Mint. I have like this palette. I will try all color here. You see it's like clear palette. Okay. I like how this feels. Feels like soft rubber. Package looks like this, very cute. Okay, let's get started with colors. You can see this color, and I will swatch like this. Very pigmented, looks gorgeous, beautiful, and all product infused with skincare, hyaluronic acid, plain squalene. Next one I'm going to show you its color white, really nice pigment, very nice pigment, and I will apply on my hand. Love. Next one color black, very black, very peach black, and I will swatch here. You can use this color like eyeliner. Next color I'm going to show you it's beige, matte beige, and beautiful pigment too, love. And I'm going to swatch here. On my skin looks like almost my skin tone. And last color it's rose gold, very pigmented too. You can see very shimmery. I love. Just finished washed my hand. Guys, it's bulletproof, smudge proof, everything proof. It reminds me the SMRX. I love the SMRX. Okay, next one I'm going to show you. It is for, let's try lips. Why not? And first product I'm going to show you package. It looks like this. I have 3 lip crayon and lip oil. First I'm going to try lip oil color tint. Packaging simple, looks like this, and this lip oil has tint, and I will apply on my lips little bit. Very thin. Dior feels like thicker. I love this one. Next one it's lip crayon. Packaging looks like this, very sleek, remind me pen. I think it's very comfortable, drop to your purse. You can see 1.4 gram, all product infused skincare and clean beauty. I'm going to show you swatch. It's very creamy, like crazy creamy, beautiful color. Next one it's red. I always like red. It's color Scarlet Matte. The same packaging and swatch. I will show you here. You can see. Very opaque color. And last one, it's where is it? Last one. And last one, best one, maybe yes, peach matte. We'll see. I think it's my favorite color, peach matte. And packaging again the same. I will swatch here. Yes, this is like maybe my favorite. You can see peach matte looks like this. And last shelf, it's Optic Intense Eco Eyeliner. And I'm going to start from black one because it's carbon free, something like this. Lady Gaga told, I don't know. Packaging looks like this, classic, simple. Oh, nice, I like. You can see, small brush. Oh my gosh, it's very peach black. Very intense. Next one I'm going to show you, of course, it's green one. I'm so excited about this one. Okay, and green one. It's beautiful too, this color, gorgeous green. I like it, beautiful. Okay, next one, blue. Very intense too, very intense color. Next one, deep bronzy shimmer. I love it. I don't see any sparkle, just like satin finish. And last one, it's white onyx matte. Okay, I'm going to show you swatch here. It's very beautiful white. I love it too. Very creamy, very nice texture. And remember, all product infuse skincare, all of them, and everything clean beauty. Okay guys, I hope you like my video. If you like, give me thumbs up, and please don't forget subscribe to my channel. Have a great day. Bye.